Hey everyone, welcome to Phonak 24 AI Mythbusters. Let's start. So today's myth is artificial intelligence is complicated. Let's bust the myth. AI is a complicated technology, like this Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cubes in AI tackle complex problems by navigating a vast space of possibilities towards a defined goal, learning through data to achieve optimal solutions. That's why AI can be a valuable tool for making hearing care more efficient. AI-powered predictive maintenance is one exciting example of that. By analyzing data on hearing aid usage and environmental factors, AI could predict potential issues before they even happen. For example, it could support you in letting you and your clients know when they should bring in their hearing aids for proactive cleaning to ensure best performance and longevity. Instead of spending time on repairs, you can redirect your time to focus on helping more clients, providing additional care and other services that enhance the clinic's experience. So myth busted. AI is not complicated. You can find a link to an interesting blog post on this topic in the description of this video. Thanks for joining Mythbusters. Follow Phonak 24 for more myth-busting fun.